Lab 3 GSM by Nur Asmida, Nur Fahana and Nur Zakia. Objective 1. To understand the basic aspect of the SCDMA in single user case and two user case. 2. To observe the symbol error rate SER performance. Introduction. GSM stands for Global System for Mobile Communication. It is a digital cellular technology used for transmitting mobile voice and data services. Baseband loopback is done by appropriate setting in satellite modem at VSAT or earth station. This loopback and baseband transmitted IQ data back to receiver part without interfacing to modulator IC. This way following modules can be verified. Besides, baseband loopback are the supplier for the following loopback data on the baseband and permits checking of the modem terrestrial interface. IF loopback. IF loopback loops back the modulated IF signal from the modulator to the demodulator. IF loopback is also done by appropriate setting in satellite modem. This loopback modulated if signal back to demodulator IC and hence will check the system without RF part. Following modules are tested by this. This is done by setting demodulator IF frequency same as modulator IF frequency. This test will loop IF modulator output to the IF demodulator input TX baseband loopback RX baseband loopback TX RX baseband loopback.
For result and discussion. First, generated sample. In view of Figure 1, Figure 2 and Figure 3, it shows the quick test of Wacom T in baseband loopback, Wacom T in IF loopback, and Wacom T that half duplex in baseband level individually. 3 of the examples shows the range of GMSK send sign. It very well may be seen that every last of them not gone with a similar range. 2. Analysis sample, which is for spectrum of GMSK received signal. By noticing the range of GMSK send transmitted in Figure 5, 6 and 7, each of the 3 of range show distinctly is in wave. The most noteworthy extent of FFT is from the range of Wacom T, 50-50 duplex in baseband level, where the most noteworthy pinnacle is nearly reached to 14,000, and the least greatness of FFT is the range from the Wacom T in if loopback, where it just nearly reached to 6,000. Analysis sample for spectrum of GMSK transmitted signal. The spectrum of GMSK transmitted signal are illustrated in Figure 8, 9 and 10 for Wacom T in baseband loopback, if loopback and half duplex in baseband level respectively. Based on the spectrum illustrated, they are all the same because it has the same generate sample for transmitter. Analysis sample for spectrum of GMSK transmitted signal. The range of frequency at just GMSK sign can be found in Figure 12, Figure 11, 12 and 13. It very well may be seen that the range from the Wacom T in baseband loopback comes to up to 10,000. The Wacom T in if loopback extent of FFT range has come to up to 5,500, and the Wacom T down the middle duplex in baseband level of greatness range nearly reached to 10,000. Analysis sample for identification of SCH channel. In light of the ID of SCH divert in figure 14, 15 and 16, the relation yield of Y-T in if loopback has a more extensive range contrasted with Y-T in baseband loopback and Y-T down the middle duplex in baseband level, where the base upper band connection yield generally between 60 to 140, while for the Y-T in baseband loopback and Y-T 50-50 duplex, which is half duplex, in baseband level, least upper band connection yield generally between scope of 50 to 100. For analysis sample, MATLAB command window SER, which is symbol error rate. Figure 70, 80 and 90 shows the MATLAB command window of symbol error rate SER. The SER value of Y-T in baseband loopback, Y-T in IF loopback and Y-T in half duplex is base band level is 0.3636, 0.4859 and 0.3631 respectively.
Conclusion for experiment GSM. To finish up, the understudy needed to comprehend the fundamental part of DSCDMA if there should be an occurrence of single client and instead of two clients. The understudy was then in a situation to notice and comprehend the expression of the image mistake rate SER. The balanced strategy of the Gaussian least multiplying GMSK was additionally concentrated to execute it onto the examination, and generally the test points were met.